So this is the new Scratch 3.0 platform. Something new that the students are working on is finding a sprite, but instead of it being a character, the purpose of it would be to act as a button to make something happen. So what we did was we went to the sprite and we went in here and we chose a star. So here's our star, and the children knew that it had to be a button. So we took it and we moved it up to the corner of our work area, and then we had to code it because right now the star didn't do really anything. So we had to go to events when this sprite is clicked. So we knew when we click this sprite, it's going to do something. So we have to see what backgrounds we have. So we click over here for backdrops, and we needed to go to the backdrops tab. Now I don't have any more backdrops here. So what we had to do was add some. So you go back to the backdrops. We're looking for things that had to do with space. And I would add one, and then I added another one, and then I was ready. So I go back to my star, because that's my button, and I want to write code for it. So we're back to when this sprite clicked. So we're going to go to looks, and under the looks feature it says switch backdrop to. So we're going to drag the block out. So when this sprite is clicked, the backdrop will switch to whatever's here in this drop down menu. So since I have 3 backdrops, I would like to go to this one which says next backdrop. When this sprite clicked, the backdrop will switch to the next backdrop. So instead of it being a star, every time we go over here and we click, the backdrop would change to something else. So this was great since it's a journey through space. So every time the background changes, we would be saying more facts about a different part of our research about space.